Hi guys, so I'm just checking in. I am actually on my way to Montauk. I am going to see my school friends, and one of my girlfriends has a house in Montauk, so we are going, our like friend group from school, college, not high school, obviously. But yeah, so I am like really out of it right now. It's so early. I stopped at my boyfriend's last night and spent the night at his house, not his apartment in the city, but his house with his parents, because he lives on Long Island. And so it kind of like cut my drive short because the house is in Montauk. So I'm on my way now. And what is this person doing? Like, sure, cut me off. So I'm on my way now to Montauk, and I will check in with you guys when I'm there. I'm gonna try and vlog this weekend. I don't even know, am I starting a vlog right now, or is this a part of my other vlog? I'm not sure if I have enough footage in the other vlog, but maybe I'll just make like a Montauk vlog if I have enough footage of this weekend. But if I am starting a new vlog, then welcome to my channel. My name is Deanna, for those of you that are new here. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already, and to follow me on Instagram. The link is always down in the description below. So yeah, let's go to Montauk.
Oh no!
Vlogging. I need to vlog everyone's outfits. Okay guys, so we're going to dinner. They're all gonna make fun of me, but it's okay. Maybe I'll show them all when they have a few drinks in them. But do you want to say hi to the vlog? I mean, look at these gorgeous. Okay, so we're walking to dinner. Say guys, did someone just say go away? Oh.
Yeah, I heard that too.
Did they say go away? How long are we walking? 10 minutes in heels, baby. Let's do this.
Oh, it is us.
Everybody, say hello.
Hey, vlog.
The vlog. Cheers to the vlog. Cheers to the vlog. Cheers your box sweater.
You're gonna get demonetized the amount of times I say the F. Wait, delete that. Edit. Crop this out. Crop this out. Crop this. Only edit.
I am not cutting any of that out. Any of it. Cheers.
Cheers.
What's going on?
Can you do it again?
Listen,
What?
Bucky. You know what I'm talking about, right? Get your bobo bagging feet out of here.
Amen, sister.
This is not getting cut out at all.
Watermelon sugar high. Watermelon sugar high.
Now they feel comfortable to be on the vlog. They did not want to be on the vlog. They told me to not vlog. And after a few drinks,
Oh my gosh, you guys are helping them up.
guys, after a few drinks, they want to be in the vlog. So, to Montauk.
That's the thumbnail. That's the entrance. Welcome to Montauk.
That's the thumbnail. To the beach we go. We're all going to the beach. We got our chairs on our backs. Guys, say hi. Hello.
Hey.
So yeah, I guess I'll check in when we're at the beach. Oh my god, this is crazy. It's so hot. I'm so excited. I need to be on the beach right now. And we're just like packing up the car with food and everything. Here comes Allie. Here she comes. guys, so we're going to the beach. OOTD, just joggers, tank, and sweatshirt, and hiccups. I was showing our OOTD, and we got a lot of color today, guys. Didn't we?
Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a
yeah.
God help me with these girls. Guys, I kind of am feeling with the vlogging stuff, but all we really did today was go to the beach and came back, showered, had lunch by the beach. We were there till like 6:30, guys. Insane. We got to the beach really early and we were there till 6:30. And now we're going back to the beach. I got my chair with me and we're gonna have a bonfire, make some s'mores, and everyone's looking at me, laughing at me, vlogging, but just keeping you guys updated. And I look crazy right now, but I got a lot of color. We all got a lot of color. Mine up to hers. Wait, let me see. Ooh.
I'm Donna and you're watching Disney Channel.